All right, we're in the 2023 Subaru Outback, and today I want to talk about the driver monitoring system. And so when it's on, you will see the green lit eye. That means it's on. If it turns orange, then it's off. And so this is here in the bar is going to recognize our eyes, and this is an added safety feature. So you find this annoying because every time you come in your car it's going to scan your eyes, then you can shut it off. So to do so, we go to our home page, we select the settings, we scroll, there's a bar here, and we scroll all the way to the end. We hit car, driver monitoring system, and here it's showing that it's activated, and we're going to just turn them both down. User recognition, we close it out, and now you're going to see the eye is orange. So just an easy way to show you how to turn it on and off.